I'm Dr. Jeff Stoltenberg coming at you in Houston, Texas with Dr. Greg Johnson. Today, I get to give him the ring dinger.
For the second time.
For the second time today, yes, that's for the second time today. So we're going to do that. How'd you do with the first one?
It was wonderful. I feel a ton better since this morning's ring
I feel
dinger.
good about that too.
Yeah. So he did a great job on me this morning, and this will be his second one on me today. And if I had but one adjustment to get on myself, it would be the manual spinal neural decompression adjustment on the y-axis, which we've lovingly named the ring dinger, and that's how y'all know it. So,
All right, let's do this.
yep. Scrubs were in the way. Let me maybe get one more.
Any more?
Yeah, just a tad. There you go.
Oh, this phone's moving on this thing.
Yeah. I'm hard on the foam.
I see that.
Just
All right,
tight.
I'm gonna. All right, just don't want you to clench your teeth, but don't clench your teeth and don't bite your tongue here.
Better. I felt that one all the way down. Good. Better. Get these guys out there. Oh, thanks. His is the worst part of this whole thing.
All right.
See, I feel the blood flowing
You
down to
ready
my
to do
feet right now. No, I'm good on all that. I just want the ring dinger.
Get that down.
I practice what I
Yes.
preach and what I teach. That was a good one. He's passed. He is now our newest member of Team Ring Dinger, and he's in Fresno, California. Give him your website information, your phone number, so they can schedule an appointment with you.
Structureshealth.com's website, phone number in Fresno, California, right in the center of California, so everybody in California and the western states can come.
Yep.
559-435-BACK, otherwise known as 2225.
Mm-hmm.
Look forward to seeing you.
He'll be getting the table.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be getting the table within, 3-4 months or so,
Yeah.
and preparing in the meantime. I look forward to meeting all of you.
And he's probably going to come back here in the meantime, even while he's waiting on his table, and get a upgrade technique class, because the chiropractors who come here and do this a couple of times, I have found to be the best adjusters of my Team Ring Dinger guys.
Well, I'm going to
We
be
got
one of the
several
best.
of those.
So.
There you go. Cool. All right.
Thank you much. See you there.
You can still shoot me though if you don't
let's
mind.
do it. All right. All right, let's get that down. Okay.
Good.
And I know how you. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
There. You're messing up my do though.
Yeah, sorry. Some of us don't have to worry
I
about
know.
that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
All
Feels
right.
good, man. Thank you.
Good.
Well, go ahead and give me your exit information. I am Dr. Jeff.
Oh, okay. I'm Dr. Jeff Stoltenberg in Houston, Texas, on my way to Fresno.
He's out in Fresno, California, so he's taking care of the entire West Coast
That's
out
right,
there.
I hear there's a Fresno, Texas too.
There
Yeah,
he is. Yeah.
yeah.
I'll see you in Fresno.
We'll see y'all soon.